In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a spreadsheet into Pipedrive using the Import Data tool. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to prepare, and how to avoid common import headaches so your contacts and deals land in the right place the first time. Start by opening Pipedrive and signing into your account. Once you're on your dashboard, look toward the top navigation bar and find the option labeled More. Click that, then choose Import Data. This is the built-in importer, and it's the safest way to bring in records without breaking your existing setup. On the Import Data page, click Get Started. If you're presented with any introductory guidance, you can click Skip to move straight to the uploader. Next, choose Upload Spreadsheets. This is where you'll provide your CSV file. Before you select it, a quick preparation tip. Make sure your spreadsheet is saved as a CSV with clear column headers in the first row, like first name, last name, organization, email, and phone. Remove blank columns, combine multiple sheets into one file, and convert formulas to values so the importer reads clean text. If you're working with accented characters or non-English text, saving the CSV in UTF-8 encoding helps prevent odd symbols after import. Select your CSV and Pipedrive will scan your headers and guide you to match each column to a Pipedrive field. Take a moment here to review the suggested matches. For example, ensure your name column maps to the correct person name field, and that emails and phone numbers are assigned to the right types. If you're importing organizations or deals, align those columns to their corresponding fields as well. When in doubt, keep it simple and map only what you truly need. You can always enrich records later. If you spot a mismatch or something looks off, cancel out, tidy your header names in the CSV, and re-upload. It's much faster to fix structure now than to clean up dozens of records afterward. Also, watch for duplicates. Consistent naming in your CSV, like identical organization names or the same email for a person, helps Pipedrive recognize and merge rather than create duplicates. When you're happy with the mappings, proceed with the import and let Pipedrive process your file. Once it's done, you'll see a confirmation summary. Head back to your People, Organizations, or Deals views to spot check a few records and make sure everything landed in the right fields. That's it. You went from the dashboard into More to Import Data, clicked Get Started, skipped the intro if you wanted, and uploaded your CSV through Upload Spreadsheets. Your data should now be ready to use.